Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about views in structured query language. A view is a virtual table which contains row and column just like any other real table. And the fields in a view can be from multiple real tables. So a view is just like any other real table, but the records in a view are from multiple real tables. And the syntax to create one view is we write the query create view, then the name of the view as, and then we select multiple field from one real table. So this query will create one view and the view will contain the field name and age from the real table employee. And after we have created the view, we can write the query and we can fetch the record just like any other real table. So we can write the query select the field name from the view my view. So this query will return the field name from the view called my view. And also we can update and delete our view. So a view can be updated like any other normal table. So we have to write the query create or replace view and then the name of the view as, and then we select multiple field from one real table. And also we can add some condition like the age greater than 20. So this query will update the view called my view and it is going to take the field name and age from the table employee where the age is greater than 20. And also one view can be deleted using the drop view statement. So we write the query drop view, then the name of the view, and this query will delete the view from the database. So this is the way we can create one view which is just like any other table and it contains the data from the real table. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.